Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a new project in Qwen AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to Qwen AI and log into your account. And here on the left hand side, expand projects. On default, there will be set this new project folder, but you can of course customize it. So click into it and then give your project a title, project 01 for example. Choose a category like travel for example. And then expand advanced settings here. Here guys, what you want to do is set the memory, for example, project only or default. And what you want to do below is provide information or instructions. So for example, a project usually on these chat applications, AI chat applications is usually or consists of several chats. So a project can, for example, be multiple pages long for each chat, for each conversation. And these are usually tied via, for example, a shared topic, right? So make sure that you provide instructions here, informations, background, and you have up to 1000 characters for that. Now, what you want to do also, guys, is click into add files here and upload. You can upload up to 5 project files for context, like for example, external files like Word, TXT, document, and so on and so forth, so that Qwen AI may use these for context when conversing with you within the given chat of the given project, so that you don't have to upload these files over and over again in the chat window, but they will be uploaded to the project, stay in the background, and used by Qwen AI automatically for context. Finally, click into Create Project here. And that's your first project. You can access it here on the left-hand side. Click into these 3 dots and edit it or delete it if you don't want to use it anymore, which is going to delete also all included chats and project files. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.